Hello, I'm Mark Jones, VP of Sales with FrontRow, and I'm here today talking about EZRoom. EZRoom is everything you need for a classroom technology package except the display. Incorporated inside this 2x2 plenum-rated ceiling tile panel is an infrared wireless receiver for microphones. We've got emergency beacon display, speakers onboard or outside the box come with it with control for all of your classroom devices. EZRoom comes completely wired, tested and ready to be installed on site for a quick, easy installation. Unlike most classroom audio systems, this one does full AV controlling of the HDMI switching and all of that with our built-in control systems that are installed in the walls of the classroom. So contact us or your local FrontRow dealer to find out more about EZRoom and how this system can be incorporated with our Conductor IP-based paging intercom system. Check us out on our website at gofrontrow.com.